today we are dealing with gardening struggles in the high desert. Um, so I'll make another video about critters, but this video is about keeping your plants from getting too much sun. So when you get a packet of seeds and it says full sun, high desert gardeners, they're not talking to us. They're not talking to us. Full sun in the high desert will kill your plants. Dried up to a crisp. Yeah, I didn't know that. This is my first time gardening here. More like half shade, half sun. There are trees here, but you can't garden near them because nothing will grow underneath, except for maybe a couple of weeds. If you look underneath the pine trees, there's nothing. So you have to make shade somehow. So I started off with just a basic garden fence made out of twigs, fairly short, maybe knee high, just to keep the rabbits and stuff out, maybe a little bit taller. I do get chipmunks occasionally. You just try to plant stuff near it that will keep those critters away. I have a lot of sage on the property, so I plant those in between everything. And now we're dealing with sun. So what we're going to do today is make the fence higher. We're going to go in the back part of the property that I don't have fenced in yet, and we're going to chop up some downed trees and see what we can do to create some shade. All right, let's get to it.
It was an early morning yesterday. I was up before the dawn, and I really have enjoyed my stay, but I must be moving on. Like a king without a castle, like a queen without a throne, I'm an early morning lover, and I must be moving on. Now I believe in what you say is the undisputed truth, but I have to have things my own way to keep me in my youth. Like a ship without an anchor, like a slave without a chain, just a thought of those sweet ladies as a shiver through my veins. And I will go on shining, shining like brand new. I'll never look behind me, my troubles will be few. Goodbye, stranger, it's been nice. Hope you find a paradise. Glad to see you, point of view. Hope your dreams will all come true. Goodbye, Mary, goodbye, Jane. Will we ever meet again? Feel no sorrow, feel no shame. No tomorrow, feel no pain. Sweet devotion, it's not for me. Just give me motion, set me free. The land and the ocean, far away. Time I've chosen every day. So goodbye, Mary, goodbye, Jane. Will we ever meet again? Now some they do and some they don't, and some you just can't tell.